So here I am flying the straight version of the Test Flight 2D that I created on the Enterprise Pro Controller, and I'm flying it on my Air 3S using the RC2 Pro Controller. Right, I'm now going to load the second half as I actually split this flight. I have just flown 2 flights of the Test Flight 2D generated on the Enterprise controller on the Air 3S using the RC2 Pro Controller, and I was using the straight option. I'm just about to take off, do exactly the same again, fly both flights but using the straighter options. So
take off. Home points updated.
Get airborne and start the first mission. Okay, so I've just flown 2 types of flights, straighter and straight, and as you can see from the flight paths on the screen, the actual lawnmower paths both match. I mean, the straighter option is flying the lawnmower path in exactly the same way as the straight, but you can see the deviation in the corners. And that's the bit that really doesn't matter. It's the straight lines in between that do, and they appear to be bang on. So I don't really see any advantage in flying, or using, I should say, the straight option. I have seen a couple of times when the drone has to fly a really tight turn, almost back on itself using the straight option. It can stop and take quite a while before it actually does the turn. It will hover for maybe even up to 30 seconds before it does the turn, or it can have a problem doing the turn. Occasionally I've seen the message come up, obstacle detected, mission aborted. I think that's what it said. It's something along those lines. There's been nothing but clear space all around it, no obstacle. The first time it happened, I thought a bird must have flown close to it, but it's happened regularly on one particular mission I created, and it always happened on the same corner and I couldn't get past it. I even switched the drone to sports mode to switch the obstacle detection off, because again I could see it's completely clear airspace, nothing around, and again it still complained about detecting an obstacle. So although that happens very rarely, it does seem to happen with the straight option. So in all honesty, I can't see really any advantage using the straight option. It's there if you want to use it, but I recommend using the straighter. Thank you.